Number 13, if 6/7 p plus 18 equals 54, what is the value of 7p? A lot of times with these ones where they say, what is the value of, instead of just asking for what is the value of x or what is the value of p, they ask what is the value of 7p. A lot of times there'll be something that you can do to this equation to get it to say what they're looking for equals blah, blah, blah. It's like a shortcut. This is not one of those cases. This is just an unusual one where they're like, all right, don't just put the answer. We're going to test and see if you're reading what is 7 times the answer. But just be aware of that. A lot of times there will be a way to get a quicker, get to the answer quicker. But here we're just going to solve for p, and then we're going to multiply it by 7. So 6/7 p plus 18 equals 54. We want to undo what's been done to p. So we have this 18 that's been added. To undo that, we need to do the opposite. We need to subtract 18 from both sides. So we have 6/7 p on the left, and 54 minus 18 is 36 on the right. So to get rid of this 6/7 that's being multiplied by p, you multiply by the reciprocal, which is 7/6. Sixths. I always have a hard time saying that. 7/6. And when you do that to both sides, on the left, those cancel out, and you just have 1. So 1 times p is p. And on this side, because that's 36 over 1, I can do some canceling here. 6 on the bottom 1 time, 6 on the top 6 times. 6 times 7 on top over 1 times 1 on the bottom. 6 times 7 is 42. And this is where they're going to get you, because a lot of students, once they solve for p, they think they're done. And you're like, no, they didn't ask for p. They will forget that they asked for 7p. So they want 42 times a 7, which is 294. So 294 is my answer. I said there was a shortcut, like there's times where it'll be something like, 6p plus 5, equals 10, and they'll say, what is 6p? It's that kind of thing, where you don't have to solve for p and then multiply by 6, because 6p is somewhere in the original equation. It's that kind of deal. Those show up a lot. It's never a bad idea to look for that kind of thing to see if there's a shortcut where you don't have to solve for p and then multiply by 7. But in this case, there isn't one of those. You do have to solve and then multiply by 7. But it gets you to our answer, 294. Always be careful with those. They love doing that to make sure you're paying attention. Hey guys, the full insanely comprehensive SAT math prep course I've been promising for so long is live right now at mathwithalyssa.com. You can use coupon code EOY2025, that stands for end of year, EOY2025 for 30% off until Friday, May 16th. And of course, you can also still get the free 10 video course on SAT tips and tricks at mathwithalyssa.com as well. You also can now book one-on-one tutoring sessions with me. Links to how you can do that are in the description and the pinned comment below. And as always, if the video you just watched was helpful or useful in any way, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.